This is the world's first hydrogen row in Korean version. If you are interested and have a curiosity about this, you can scan this barcode through your phone. So it includes the purpose and definitions, a lot of things. It is the Korean's standard based on ISO TC 197. As you can see, there is a lot of standard from hydrogen production to hydrogen fuel cell buses. And HRS has a lot of standard other than standard because this part is really sensitive and dangerous part. And last thing is the basic standard is here. Basic consideration for the safety of a hydrogen system. And you can remember this part because this part ISO TC 197 created KSB ISO. It means the national regulation from ISO TC 197. So as you can see, the number is same here and here. The national standard based on TC 197, we created the KGS safety code. The KGS safety code is called safety, but it is a legal force. So we upgraded from ISO TC197 and the KSB ISO and then KGS safety code according to South Korea hydrogen situation. So there is a final Korean hydrogen KGS safety code row. It is included technical specification, test method, and replacement cycle from hydrogen production to hydrogen refueling stations and fuel cell buses. So as you can see, there is many information about the high pressure gases. So in summarized, South Korea processes was like here. Technology accumulation and the legal gap. And we started a pilot project it at the same time. And the H2 roadmap, and there is the also safety row, KGS H2 standard and safety regulation. And final is national and global H2 industrialization. But how about Vietnam? Vietnam is empty these processes. And I had a lot of meetings and research a lot of information through the internet. So the UNIHYS and I decide to the process like this one. It is consists of four processes. The first of all, Global H2 Cooperation Framework. Second, H2 TCVN Technical Standard Establishment. Third is a small scale pilot project. Final is H2 QCVN leads to national industrialization. The global H2 corporations need the launch of TC197 and the multinational H2 partnership and also the Korea ODA application. Second process is here, like TCVN dropped based on ISO TC197 and KGS safety code law applied. Multinational company technical contribution. Small scales with H2 buses 1 or 2 units and small HRS 1 station. Mandatory safety training. Safety training is also very important to maintain the hydrogen infrastructure. So I put the word mandatory safety training. The final is QCVN evidence secured. So the safety regulation enacted H2 transport expansions. Last VHC will become Asian H2 hub. There is customize the hydrogen approach between South Korea and Vietnam. The main difference is here. South Korea's strategy is technology created the road, but the Vietnam strategy, the road can call in the technology. Technology will be brought in through global cooperation, and the data and experience will accumulate. The final is the foundation for safety regulation and established throughout the processes. The last one is here. The point is that it took Korea 28 years to build its ecosystem. But Vietnam doesn't need that because Vietnam can borrow Korea's framework and shorten that time. And most importantly, get safety right from the beginnings with TC197 and KSG safety code. So I want you guys, actually Vietnam's will have a different and more short way other than South Korea because we had a lot of information, knowledge, program, processes, and raw. We can bring this to Vietnam. So my point is that if the VATC receive the TC197 document from the Vietnam government, it is better for VAHC to bring it to South Korea because if I bring the ISOTC documentary to KGS, KGS also will give the KGS a safety code for VHC and Vietnam hydrogen development. Also, South Koreans are expected this process and the Vietnam hydrogen development. So these presentations will be helpful and innovative for Vietnam. Next time, I will go to Vietnam in person for the programs or technologies looking. I hope you guys see you at the times again. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you. If you have question, please text me the email to UNIHYS company. Thank you.